Hi, welcome to my channel. Before going to the details, please subscribe my channel. This is new channel. I've been requesting my viewers to subscribe this channel so that my videos may reach to many people. Right now, coming to the governor, we see the governor of Tamil Nadu. There is a Supreme Court judgment released today. Supreme Court judgment clearly, categorically warned him. What we can say. It very harshly made a comments on Ravi's actions. It is in a bad faith. This is the word the Supreme Court has used: illegal, erroneous, and bad faith. Let us see actually what happened in Ravi's case. What Ravi did. What Ravi did is, see, Supreme Court clearly said illegal, erroneous. Supreme Court lambasts Tamil Nadu governor for withholding bills. He withheld bills, 10 bills, for 3 years without accepting the bill. Governor have 3 options. One, he can assent the bill or dissent the bill, or he can send it to President of India for acceptance. He has 3 powers. But what he has done is he kept all the 10 bills for more than 3 years in reserve. He reserved all the bills. Tamil Nadu government, they have passed the bill, sent it to the governor, he kept in reserve. Tamil Nadu government, again they passed the bill, again they sent to governor, and again he kept them in reserve without accepting it for 3 years. What we call it as, this is democracy. We have to work for the people, serve the people. People are the utmost importance or priority in a democratic country. If you stop the bill, how can we serve the people there in Tamil Nadu, right? That is actually the argument Tamil Nadu government is doing. So they went to Supreme Court. Supreme Court has made very serious comments on this. They said the Supreme Court has termed Tamil Nadu Governor R.S. Ravi refusal to give assent 10 bills is illegal and erroneous. This is what actually the Supreme Court used that word. And Supreme Court also said, he said 2-3 comments they made it, right? Justices J.P. Pardiwala and R. Mahadevan, they said, Ravi acted in bad faith. He acted in very bad faith. Because this is democracy. You cannot keep bills for years and years. For 3 years, he kept bills without accepting it. The bench said that Ravi reserved the bills even after SC. In similar Punjab case, that governors can't keep bills pending. Already, someone went to court in Punjab. They said governor is keeping all the bills reserved without accepting it. It is hampering the administration of the states. It is hampering the administration, right, of administering the people. So the Supreme Court earlier said, governor cannot do that. Irrespective of the previous judgment, previous comments made by Supreme Court of Honorable Supreme Court, that governors cannot keep bills pending for a long time, he continued to keep all the bills in reserve for 3 years in Tamil Nadu. So the Supreme Court clarified governor's role under 200. Supreme Court clearly said you should know what are the powers that you have. There is no concept of absolute veto. You don't have any absolute veto or pocket veto under the Constitution given to anybody. Anybody, right? You don't think that I have absolute power. Don't think that I have absolute, I can do anything whatever I want. In democracy, we cannot do that because people are observing it. People will keep observing them, right? So this is one thing. Honorable Supreme Court has Honorable Supreme Court made comments, very serious comments on Ravi, and the Honorable Supreme Court also said, see, when Assembly passes the bill and sent to the governor can keep them in reserve first time. If Assembly passes the same bill second time and send it to you, you do not have power to keep in reserve. Then why did you keep? Tamil Nadu government has done the same thing. They passed the bill, they sent to the governor, governor kept them in reserve. Again they passed the bill second time, sent to the governor, still he kept in the reserve. So it says that illegal, unconstitutional and erroneous in terms of democracy, in terms of serving the people, right? Timelines for, he said, see, there should be only deadline is 3 months. Governor should accept the bill within 3 months, but he kept it for 3 years. Too long period. We know that there is a fight between a fight between Tamil Nadu government and as well as the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party. In many ways, the Tamil Nadu is opposing their bills. So this can be a political reason. That's why the Supreme Court has made this even comment. The governor must be conscious not to create roadblocks or chokehold in the state legislature in order to thwart or break the will of people in political reasons. Just for political reasons, don't thwart the people, break the will of the people, because this is democratic country, right? Democracy, serving the people is utmost priority. We should understand that. Governors must be the catalyst. So in times of conflict, he must be the harbinger of consensus and resolution, lubricating the functioning of the state machinery by his sanctity, wisdom, and not run into the standstill. He must be the catalyst, not an inhibitor. That's what Supreme Court made the statement. Wonderful statements they made, right? So we can see the similar bills. We can see the similar, news in the different newspapers. Supreme Court holds Tamil Nadu governor's reservation for 10 bills for president rule. Right? These are all the different bills. See, the Supreme Court made very serious comments that Tamil Nadu governor R.N. Ravi withheld his assent to 10 bills pending with him for 3 years. I'm only reading wherever it's highlighted. What was the governor doing for 3 years? Why should the governor wait for parties to approach the Supreme Court? While Article 163 of the Constitution deals with the powers of the governor generally, Article 200 specifically deals with the issue of granting assent to the bills. Both the provisions are made together to determine power the governor holds on the issue. So it looks like that intentionally he kept all the bills pending in Tamil Nadu. So Supreme Court was very serious on this, on the governor actions. The governor said very bad faith. We know that earlier see, I'm not calling him neither dictator nor Democrat. R.N. Ravi, I'm not calling him neither dictator nor Democrat. But what I'm saying that the people who try to stop something that that serves the people will have their own ideology. They'll go with own ideology. The ideology in the latter stages turns into dictators, right? So we see the many dictators we can see in the history. There are many dictators. See, there is someone called Adolf Hitler. Hitler is one of the dictators. You know that Hitler's main ideology is racism, right? He has taken the racism as the point, and it triggered the violence among the people, and he emerged as a dictator. That's what Adolf Hitler has done it. Joseph Stalin, Soviet Union, what Stalin has done it. He used propaganda as the main reason to emerge as a dictator. All propaganda has done it. Nowadays we all are talking about, right, the WhatsApp university. Some people are calling WhatsApp university. Some people are calling fake propaganda. Some people are calling some Godi media. Some people are calling as Congress people. These people are all giving different names. Okay, because they're saying that it's all wrong propaganda which they're doing. That is the version of the opposition party. Okay. Mussolini also has done, so he used, Mussolini is a nationalist approach, his main concept of emerging as a dictator. What he said? Nationalist appeal. That's what now everybody is talking about. I'm a nationalist. I love my country. I'm Indian. I'm Deshabhakta. That's what everybody was talking about now, nationalist approach. That is how Mussolini emerged as a dictator there. Franco, Spain, his main issue is civil war. He also used the nationalistic approach. Julius Caesar, he controlled the military and emerged as a dictator. Okay. So these are all small errors. What do we say? That there is no scope for dictatorship nor authoritarian rules in India, because in India we follow democratic principles, we follow administrative policies very clearly and carefully based on the people's interest. So there is no scope, but still remember, small mistakes, it will turn later stages as a bigger mistakes. That bigger mistake can be turning the country as a dictator, a country under the dictator's rule. That also can be in the days ahead. Okay. So Supreme Court has done very excellent job. Very good job Supreme Court has done to protect the Constitution of India. They made very serious comments on this, not to keep bills for long period for political reasons. Thank you. I request you again, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.